Bruce Hitchings from Highland Reeds speaking about the Highland Reed Chanter moisture control system. The Chanter moisture control system complements the drone moisture control system. Now the drone moisture control system controls the air going to the drones and makes sure it's dry and efficient. The Chanter, or what some people call total moisture control, means that they want to control the air going to the Chanter as well. Now, there's a lot of debate over this, whether how much moisture you have, whether you have a dry setup, whether you have a wet setup. However, if you do decide that you want to have the total control, Highland Reeds has a product to do it. This basically is a tube with a connector. The connector gets hemped up, goes into the Chanter stock. The tube then comes back so that the cartridge is lying at the back of the bag, away from the blowpipe. The air then comes through the cartridge, along through the hose and down into the Chanter. The cartridge can be pulled off and changed at any time. Now, the important thing is how much moisture do you want to get to your Chanter? Most of us want to have some moisture on our Chanter reeds, but we want to control the amount of moisture that gets there. The way we do this is by how many or how much granules we actually put into the cartridge. If I was to fill this cartridge completely up, the air that was going to the Chanter would be completely dry, and the Chanter reed would probably after a while dry out completely and go up in pitch and not really be stable. So it's a balancing act between how much gels you put into how dry you want the air going to your Chanter. And that's totally down to the environment you're in, how wet a blower you are. But for some people, this system is there. It's very valuable. It keeps the Chanter consistent, the pitch of the Chanter consistent, and thereby means that they can still play in very damp, wet conditions.